Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you the complete 1688 app setup and how you can easily bind your Alipay account with the account without any stress. So let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do if you are using Android phone, head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. However, if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. The next thing you need to do is to go to search. Then the next thing you want to do here is to click on search app and games. Then here, type in 1688. 1688. 1688. And hit on search right here. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the app right here and it will take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, over 1 million plus people are using this app to shop cheap products from China. Having get to this point, next thing you need to do is to click on install right here. After a successful installation, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here, the red big button, click on that. Then it's going to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Now, how we can easily successfully, so here, click on allow. Then the account has been fully installed right here. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to see how you can bind your Alipay account with this particular account. For you to do that, click on this icon right here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on this particular dot right here. After you click on that, click on login now. And your Alipay is going to load up just like what you see right here. Allow the Alipay to load. This is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on confirm and login. So right here, what you need to do is to click on get code right here. Now the code is here. Copy the code. Then I'm going to click on here now. I'll paste the code. Then I'll click on next. Now you have successfully logged into your 1688 and the Alipay account has been fully bind together. It's that simple.